Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Cadillac XLR. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 107,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, power windows, and window defogger.